In this video, we are going to be analysing Bed Bath & Beyond, ticker BBBY. So to get straight into it, we are just going to do the analysis on shorter time frames today, because we have done a video on this, I think about a week back, on the longer terms. They haven't changed. Obviously, they stay where they are for quite a while. So on the left, we're looking at a 20-day, on the right, a 30-day, and we'll just do more of a short-term analysis. So, you know, if you're watching this video within the next week, these levels are valid. After that, be paying attention to the longer-term video posted before. If we start to pull back, we do have support at 342, but really what the key thing is, and to be focusing on now, is a move to 360. Because what is happening, and as we say in all our analysis videos, if you've seen them before, you know exactly what we say. First time you hit a level, expect a pullback. Now you're coming back, you're breaking or coming back to your first deviation on the 30-day chart. This is now your support. You want it to pull back here, because if this level holds, it is a confirmation signal that we are going to continue higher. We'll break 377 and most likely continue to 413. And if we break that 426, considering they're so close together, you can just use that as a zone. If we break that, we're then looking at 450 and 492 as upper resistances. To the downside, what are we paying attention to? 306, 295, 270 and 227/235. Again, use it as a zone because they're so close together. And also use this level as a zone because these are both statistical means. What is statistical mean? That is fair value. We never look to buy or sell stocks within this area, or should we say we don't look to enter a position within this area. We only ever look to close out of positions into this area, because holding through this level is a much more of a gamble. Now we have levels to both the up and down side. How do we use them? So again, like we said here, the way you will use them is you break through a level, you want to pull back to test it as a support, and if it holds, a good indication that we break higher. So that's how you use them as a confirmation signal to continue trend. You can also use them as a reversal signal. So here we came into the second deviation, you play the pullback. Whenever you hit a level for the first time, it provides a pullback. For example, if we now break through 413, the first time you touch that level, we're looking at more of a pullback. And then when you're up, you know, maybe down to $4, you move your stop to break even, you lock in a bit of profits, and then you try and play that reversal down. But if that's not, ends up being a reversal and instead it's just a pullback, you've locked in a small profit, so you're fine. But if you do catch that reversal, that is going to be a big money making opportunity. So that is the breakdown on Bed Bath & Beyond. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I'm trying to make these a bit quicker, especially on these small caps, which is just much more volatile, and the levels change a bit more frequently. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.